So one of my friends asked me to reiterate on why I believe that marmorkrebs stop producing clone babies when the water's too cold or the water's too warm. And that's very simple to consider, and it's because of metabolism. When you are too hot or too cold and you are having babies, you are taking away stuff you need from your body to live, to try and create more babies that may not live because of the temperature. You're taking away vital protein and other nutrients that you're going to have to use to sustain yourself. So this is totally why they stop breeding when it gets too cold or it gets too warm. It's all about metabolism and basically maintaining homeostasis. Wow, these little ladies sure are growing fast, aren't they? And I mentioned at the beginning there with the little text that I was going to show you what is nature's fleshlight. Can you guess? No? Well, here you go. Cover the kids' eyes. It's the frog. Look at that. Darn monkey, treating it like a fleshlight. And yes, I found a place, a soundboard, where I could get that music from the background. Apparently it belongs to somebody called Debbie Does Dallas. I don't know.